Oh, 2769 and 2763. 2763 is open, so I'm going to go and have a look at it. Because someone asked, can you show me what the deckers look like inside? So, this is Pride of the North livery. Basically, everyone is proud to work for Transdev. I think this is an ex-Scarborough one. Might be, because it looks very posh inside for a Gemini. So, saloon downstairs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 26 seats, plus a disabled bay, wheelchair bay. These ones don't have USB charging on them. They must never have been given the USB treatment. I don't even think they have Wi-Fi. So, yeah, a bit weird. Let's have a look upstairs. I don't think anyone's cleaning it. Hello! Oh, it's really warm upstairs. Best seats in the house, I think. Everyone will agree. Front of the house, front of the deck. Headspace, I'm probably just shy of 6 foot. And it's like 2 inches. 2 or 3 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 26, 27, 28, 29, 34 to 38, 39 seats roughly on this one. Very narrow gangway. Almost feels like it's a what you call it. It should be a coach, maybe once. Maybe this is why on the newer deckers they've gone single row of seats on this side, because yeah, it's very much a person can fit through, and obviously as you can see the seats are diagonally across from each other. So it says it has free Wi-Fi. I don't think it does. That's the Gemini. Let's have a look at the cab area for the Gemini. I think it's a Gemini one. Let me know in the comment below if it's Gemini one. I think it is. So, cab. Driver's cab, seat, steering wheel, control panel above. Height 14.5 inches, 4.39 meters. That's the height of the vehicle. I'll just take my rucksack off and I'll jump in the cab. This vehicle is isolated and has not got any power to it. We will not be switching the power on. So, Volvos, or this is like a new Volvo dash. You got your lights, for main light, saloon lights, driver's lights, driver fan, battery reset button, reversing alarm, fog lights, heated mirrors, heated seat. I don't know what that one is, maybe heated windshield. Some of these will not work because they'll have been removed. Your main control panel down here is your gearbox, drive, neutral, and reverse. Some of them have a cover on just to stop people hitting reverse. This is hill start. This one we won't talk about. This is your ramp in, ramp out, because this has a had electric ramp. Traction control, kneel and ferry lift. And once a certain switch has been touched, you can turn it on by switching this switch all the way around. Door open, door close. Handbrake on, bronze brake, which is like the master brake. And then this is the air conditioning panel for the driver and the saloon. There is also a on-off button here for the smoke and hot valve reset, and upper deck blower. Ticket machine, there, and then the board at the top, the digital blind. When we have power, we would just put basically our numbers in here, which are correlated to the sheet. Every bus will always have a bus board. So this has been on a 2, and usually on ours, the numbers here, round about where the journey is, will tell you what it is. But Blackburn Bus Company still use IC400 boards. IC400, I think it is, which are the older blinds. So yeah, they don't have them on. That is a Gemini 1. And where is its plate? So I can show you its plate. You can have a look at the plate. And that is all the vehicle information. Right, I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of a Gemini. We'll be a little outside demo as well at Pride at North Livery. I like these. Gemini is one of my favourite buses to drive. Right. And that is a quick demo of the Pride of the North Gemini 1.